The right integrated amplifier transforms mediocre speakers into incredible performers. The wrong one leaves you disappointed and broke. Today I'm revealing which integrated amps deliver the best sound quality, features, and value from budget to high-end. Your speakers deserve the best amplification. Here's how to choose. Let's talk about the Dayton Audio HTA200, a hybrid tube integrated amplifier that's turning heads in the budget audiophile world. This amplifier delivers 100 watts RMS per channel, which is serious power for most home setups. But here's what makes it interesting. Dayton combined a tube preamp stage with Class A/B solid-state power amplification. You get the warmth and character of vacuum tubes without sacrificing the reliability and power of transistors. The connectivity is genuinely impressive for the price point. You've got RCA inputs, optical digital, Bluetooth for wireless streaming, USB DAC for computer audio, and even a built-in phono preamp for turntables. That's everything most listeners need without buying external components. Aesthetically, Dayton nailed the vintage modern look. The brushed black aluminum chassis features front panel VU meters that actually move with the music, and the exposed glowing tubes create that classic amplifier vibe. It's designed to sit proudly next to your turntable, not hide in a cabinet. The motorized volume knob with remote control adds convenience without compromising the tactile experience. It's a thoughtful touch for real-world use. For listeners wanting tube warmth, modern features, and substantial power without spending thousands, the HTA200 deserves serious consideration. It punches well above its weight class and brings style to match its substance. The Fosi Audio MC331 is the ultimate all-in-one solution for desktop and small room audio systems, and it's shockingly affordable. This compact unit combines a DAC, tube preamp, power amplifier, and headphone amplifier into one chassis. That's 4 components typically purchased separately, all integrated with thoughtful design. The 5725W vacuum tubes and dancing VU meters create that vintage aesthetic everyone wants, while the sound adds subtle warmth without losing detail. Connectivity is comprehensive: Bluetooth for wireless streaming, USB input for computer audio, optical and coaxial digital inputs, plus analog RCA. Whether you're spinning vinyl through a phono preamp, streaming from your phone, or connecting a CD player, the MC331 handles it seamlessly. Despite its compact footprint, it delivers 105 watts per channel into 4 ohm speakers. Plenty of power for bookshelf speakers in most rooms. The pre-out allows system expansion, and the 3.5mm headphone jack means private listening without disconnecting anything. The remote control with bass and treble adjustment is genuinely useful, and the replaceable tubes let you tube roll to customize your sound signature. Want warmer? Brighter? Swap the tubes. For desktop systems or small listening rooms where space matters, the MC331 delivers tube warmth, modern features, and legitimate power at an entry-level price. The NAD 3020 V2 proves that compact doesn't mean compromised. This is serious amplification in a surprisingly small package. NAD's hybrid digital amplification with power drive technology is the secret weapon here. Rated at 30 watts per channel continuous, it delivers dynamic peaks up to 150 watts when music demands it. This means explosive transients, controlled bass, and effortless speaker driving that defies the modest specifications. NAD engineers prioritize real-world performance over spec sheet bragging rights. The connectivity addresses both analog and digital worlds intelligently. The built-in moving magnet phono stage connects turntables directly without external preamps. The 24-bit/192 kHz DAC handles high-resolution digital files with precision and transparency. Bluetooth aptX provides wireless streaming that actually sounds good, near CD quality without the compression artifacts plaguing standard Bluetooth. The subwoofer output enables 2.1 systems for extended low-frequency response, while the headphone jack serves private listening. The 12 volts trigger integrates with home theater systems seamlessly. NAD's sound philosophy emphasizes musicality over clinical accuracy. The The D3020 V2 sounds engaging and natural, not sterile or analytical. It reveals musical detail without fatiguing your ears during long sessions. The vertical or horizontal placement flexibility and compact footprint make it ideal for desktops, shelves, or constrained spaces where full-sized components won't fit. The Marantz PM6007 embodies the philosophy that refinement matters more than raw specifications. At 45 watts per channel into 8 ohms, this might seem modest on paper, but Marantz's current feedback amplifier topology and high current power supply mean those watts drive demanding speakers effortlessly. The toroidal transformer provides clean, stable power with minimal electromagnetic interference, while advanced thermal compensation prevents memory distortion during extended listening sessions. Marantz's sound tuning is legendary. Their engineers don't just measure, they listen. Every component is carefully selected and voiced for musicality, creating that signature, warm, smooth Marantz sound that audiophiles either love or specifically seek out. The connectivity is thorough. 5 analog RCA inputs, 1 coaxial digital, and 2 optical inputs, all gold-plated for reliable connections. The updated AK4490 DAC handles high-resolution files up to 192 kHz/24-bit, ensuring your digital sources sound their absolute best. The frequency response extends from 10 Hz to 70 kHz, far beyond human hearing, ensuring phase coherence in the audible range. The 83 decibels signal-to-noise ratio on the phono stage means quiet backgrounds for vinyl playback. For listeners prioritizing refinement, musicality, and build quality over specification wars, the PM6007 delivers decades-proven Marantz engineering at a reasonable price point. The YAMAHA AS501 represents what happens when a major manufacturer focuses on doing the fundamentals exceptionally well. This integrated amplifier delivers 85 watts per channel across the full 20 Hz to 20 kHz frequency range with just 0.019% total harmonic distortion. Those aren't just numbers. That's clean, accurate power that reveals what's actually in your recordings without coloration. Yamaha's natural sound philosophy means transparent amplification. No artificial warmth, no hyped bass, just honest reproduction. If you value accuracy over character, this approach delivers music exactly as the artist intended. The connectivity covers all bases. Gold-plated analog RCA inputs, including a dedicated phono stage for turntables, plus both coaxial and optical digital inputs for modern sources. The gold plating isn't just cosmetic. It ensures reliable, corrosion-resistant connections over years of use. The ABBA plus B speaker switching is genuinely useful. Run 2 pairs of speakers in different rooms, compare speaker sets side by side, or drive 4 speakers simultaneously for parties. That flexibility alone justifies consideration. Yamaha's build quality is legendary. This amplifier will likely outlast your speakers, your sources, maybe even your house. It's the reliable workhorse that audiophiles trust when they want decades of trouble-free performance. For accurate, powerful, feature-complete amplification with Yamaha reliability, the AS501 is difficult to beat.